students, welcome to my channel Learn, Grow and Rise. Today we will discuss about periodicity. We will discuss what is periodicity, what is the cause of periodicity, example of periodicity, properties that display periodicity and significance of the periodicity. You can see two pictures on my screen. One is a picture of day and night and another is the picture of seasons. Why I have shown you these two pictures? Because if you see that these phenomena or this event repeats themselves after a certain interval of time. So, what is periodicity and how it is related with these two pictures? Periodicity is a phenomena that occurs after a regular interval, like day and night and season repeats after a regular interval of the time. Periodicity is defined as a phenomena in which when the elements are arranged in increasing order of their atomic number, certain properties repeats at regular interval. What is that regular interval? The properties repeats when we arrange the elements increasing order of their atomic number, and the properties repeats 2, 8, 8, 18, 18 and 32. The properties of the first element similar with the property of the third element. Then the property of the next element is similar with the property of the elements which come after the eighth element. This is known as the periodicity. Now, what is the cause of the periodicity? Due to the repetition of the similar outer electronic configuration, after a certain regular interval, periodicity occurs. Because we know that chemical properties depends on the number of electrons that is present in the outermost cell or the valence cell. Is it clear? So, as the outer electronic configuration of the element that repeats after a certain interval, so that periodicity causes. Chemical properties that depends on the number of electrons present in the outermost cell, because the valence electron only take part in the chemical bonding and the chemical reaction, so that the chemical properties also depends on the number of the electron present in the outermost cell of the element. So when we arrange the element according to their increasing order of their atomic number, the similar outer electronic configuration repeats after the interval of the 2, 8, 8, 18, 18 and 32. Hence, the chemical properties also repeats. This is the cause of the periodicity. Now, let's take an example. Take the example of the elements that is present in the group 1. What are the elements present in the group 1? Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. If you will see, each element that contains one electron in their outermost cell or the valence cell, as the number of electrons are same, the chemical properties of the elements are same. For example, all the elements are metal. They show the metallic behavior. When they react with the oxygen, they form the metallic oxide. And the nature of the metallic oxide is basic or alkaline. This is how the property of the element that repeats. If you will see, the atomic number of this lithium is 3 and the atomic number of sodium is your 11. What is the difference in between? The difference is 8. So, exactly after the 8 elements, the property repeats. Now, again we can see that the atomic number of the sodium is 11 and the atomic number of potassium is 19. What is the difference? Difference is 8. So again, after 8 element, you can see the similar properties. The properties of the potassium and the properties of the sodium is again same. Both are metallic. Both form the alkaline oxides and hydroxides. So this is the example of the periodicity. How the chemical properties repeats after a regular interval of the 2, 8, 8, 18, 18 and 32 elements. Now let's know the properties that display periodicity. The properties that display periodicity is known as the periodic properties. All the properties of the element which are directly or indirectly depends on the electronic configuration of the element is known as the atomic property or known as the periodic properties. What are the properties that display periodicity? That is atomic radius, metallic and the non-metallic properties, electron affinity, electron negativity, ionization energy or ionization potential. We will discuss one by one in my upcoming video. So now let's know that what is the significance of the periodicity. Periodicity helps to predict the properties of the elements because we know as the properties repeats itself, so we can easily predict the property of the elements which are present after the regular interval of the 2, 8, 18, 18 and 32. It also helps the scientists to find the new elements because we are arranging the elements in increasing order of their atomic number. So we can predict the chemical properties as well as it is easy to find the new element exists or not. So hope that today's lecture all of you like the lecture, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Please follow me in the Instagram and Twitter. Thank you for watching my video.